Hello everyone, wherever you are in this world, welcome to my channel and welcome in this video. I will show you how to fix this problem on your TikTok. You just need to follow me in this video till the end. So let's start. First, don't open your TikTok, go directly and open your settings of your phone. Right here we found like many options, but you just click on apps option and search for TikTok. Open TikTok like this, scroll down and click on storage. But here guys, be careful, click just on clear cache, but don't click on clear data, it will delete your data on the application. Go back and click on first stop and click OK and go to set as a default. Make sure that open supported links it's allowed or enable. Then go to your Play Store, update your TikTok on the last version. Then restart your phone. So that's all in this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. See you in another video.